Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting Adobe Illustrator tutorial. Let's create infographic design. On top 3 AI tools in Adobe Illustrator. Draw circle 1000 by 1000 dimensions using ellipse. Inner circle 400 by 400 and draw outer circles 300 by 300 and 350 by 350. Align with the outer main circle, as shown. Select both, right-click, group them. Select object and go to rotate 360 degrees divided by 3 is equal to 120. Alt plus click for equal 360 degrees distribution. Control plus D to duplicate. Select object and go to Shape Builder. Press shortcut key equals M. Click on Object Create Shapes. To deselect, press Alt plus click. Select each object and apply color from the swatches. Adding header. Top 3 AI tools. One, ChatGPT by OpenAI. Two, Claude by Anthropic. Three, Gemini by Google. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more creative videos.